Alright, airbag test of my new Interceptor. I will put some back here just to make sure it's not so floppy. There it drops to the ground. I will have to put probably some cardboard along here. It will be waterproofed as well, so hopefully it can survive in the rain. I can put my GoPro in there, so yeah. Behold, the most state-of-the-art GoPro holding device ever deployed. The GoPro. Next, I need to waterproof it and give it some anchors. And because you guys are probably gonna ask, how is it deploying? Absolutely no ground clearance. This thing is surviving strong winds. It's very strong winds. Maybe hail and maybe some rain. Okay, so here I am. I'm spraying down the GoPro, but I already got the insides coated. Got my Flex Seal. If Phil Swift fails me, this will be the first time. I have to make sure that stays up, but yeah, I'll keep doing this. Yeah. And after Flex Seal, it's definitely got much dark. There's definitely some spots like right here. It's not fully dry yet, but I'll probably be adding another coat just to make sure that like it's fully protected. It's definitely a lot shinier now. The color's also got a lot darker. Oh. It's actually very easy to see the dark blue and stuff now, so looks good now.